Respected members of media fraternity, distinguished guests, senior officials, and my dear colleagues. At the very outset, I extend my warm greetings and sincere gratitude to each one of you for joining us today at the annual press meet of Tripura Gramin Bank. This occasion is not merely a presentation of figures, it is an opportunity to share the journey, performance, responsibilities, and future directions of the People's Bank that has been serving Tripura with dedication since 1976. Before I begin, I would like to place on record our deep appreciation for the media fraternity of Tripura. You have always stood beside institutions that work for public welfare. Through your newspaper, digital channels, digital platform, television channels, and field reporting, you have carried important information to the last mile. Your support helps people know about banking facilities, government sponsored schemes, social security benefit, digital services, credit opportunities, and financial literacy initiatives. Tripura Gramin Bank sincerely values these partnerships. We consider the media not only as observers but an important partner in development. Today, I feel proud to present before you the financial performance and key achievement of Tripura Gramin Bank for the financial year ending 31st March 2026. Tripura Gramin Bank, you are aware, Tripura Gramin Bank established in the year of 1976 with just 4 branches, was founded with a mission to serve rural farmers, artisans, and weaker sections of society. Today, we have grown into a strong institutions with 150 branches, 12 ultra small branches, and presence across all 8 districts of Tripura. From a modest business of 4.52 lakh in 1976, we have achieved a total business of over 15,422 crore in the year 2026, reflecting our consistent growth and commitment to financial inclusion. As far as infrastructure expansion is concerned, right now we are having 43 ATM across the state. Out of that, 24 in rural areas, 16 in semi-urban, and 3 are in urban areas, strengthening last mile banking access across rural and remote areas. In strong financial performance, I am happy to share you for the financial year 25-26, our total business grew by 9.49%, reached to 15,422 crores. Deposit increased to 10,889 crores. Advances grew by 12.77%, reaching 4,532 crores. Our CD ratio improved to 41.62%, indicating better credit deployment. On the profitability side, our operating profit stood at 236.10 crore in the financial year 25-26. Net profit increased significantly to 184.84 crore, registering a remarkable growth of over 76%. Loan disbursement during the year we have disbursed 2,854.71 crore in the financial year 25-26. This reflects the financial strength and operational efficiency of the bank. On asset quality and stability side, one of the most important indicators of any bank health is asset quality. I am pleased to inform you that we have reduced gross NPA up to 2.89% in the year ending 25-26. As on 31st March 2026, our net NPO is 0. This demonstrates our strong credit discipline and effective recovery mechanism. Additionally, the capital adequacy ratio of Tripura Gramin Bank is 28.58%, which is far above the regulatory requirement, ensuring safety and stability. Indicates strong financial stability and disciplined credit management. On productivity side, our per branch business 102.81 crore, per employee business is 17.77 crore. This reflects improved operational efficiency. On priority sector side, our सारा त्रिपुरा राज्य ग्रामीण बैंक का अकाउंट जो है, नंबर ऑफ अकाउंट्स वी आर हैविंग 27 lakhs. Out of 27 lakhs, 20 lakhs is the active account in our bank, in Tripura Gramin Bank.
Sir, CD ratio last year কত ছিল? এবছর তো 41
हाँ, last year CD ratio मैम 39.93. 39.93.
last year is
Last year 31st March 2025. And 31st March 2026, we are having CD ratio 41.62%. Yes, yes. Last year our deposit growth rate is 14.5%. But in loan growth rate is 11.71%. That CD ratio is not. That is the issue.
Sir, your net profit of 184 crore for how many consecutive years?
Sir, when I taken charge in the year of 22-23, in that year our net profit was only 3 crores. 3 crores, only 3 crores. Then after we have increased to 34 crores. Then last year 24-25 our net profit was 104 crore. And this year we have giving net profit was 184 crores.
In short, if we write, how many years consecutive years? Not your joining period, but
Increasing from 3-4 years we are continuous increasing trend.
only last 3-4 years.
नहीं,
Previously it was there, but phenomenal growth right
Tell
now.
me briefly how many consecutive years?
the from 11
10 years.
नहीं 12-13 से है.
from 11-12 from 2011-12 that Tripura Gramin Bank is continuously giving profit.
Since 11.
Yes.
Previously,
Charge as a chairman of this bank in the year of 2022. At that time, CD ratio of Tripura Gramin Bank is 36.44%. We have increased from 36.44% right now plus 41%. And if you see the CD ratio of Tripura SLBC as a whole, from last 3 years, CD ratio of Tripura is on decreasing trends. In the year of 24, CD ratio of Tripura is 52%. Then next year 51%. And in the year of ending 24-25, March 25, CD ratio of Tripura is 50%. So, but in case of our bank, we are continuously growing from 36% to 41.67%. So, we are trying, even earlier Tripura Gramin Bank is only doing the credit side only for rural people, a small loan. Now we have already diversified our loan portfolio also. If you see the growth rate of Tripura in retail segment, we are growing more than 20%. But you see the overall Tripura, we are not having much industry or processing center where we can big ticket size loan will be financed and our CD ratio will improve much. So right now from 3-4 years, even in infra there is much development in the Tripura, and be sure we are already working on this front, and CD ratio of Tripura definitely will work. If you see the other state, their CD ratio, if you go to the south, their CD ratio is more than 100%. But in Tripura we are facing some challenges because we are not able to finance due to less industry growth or a processing center we are having very limited. That is the issue.
স্যার সারা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যে গ্রামীণ ব্যাংকের
Advances 1119.05 crore, that is 24.69% of the total advance. Total priority sector advances 3499.81 crore, that is 77.22% of the total advances. Both exceeds regulatory requirement of the bank. We have also driving financial inclusion and rural management. We have already enrolled 5.3 lakhs PM Jan Dhan Yojana accounts, 4.58 lakhs PM Suraksha Bima Yojana enrollment. In JJBY, 1.73 lakhs enrolled by the Tripura Gramin Bank, and in Atal Pension Yojana, 1.89 lakhs enrollment, reflecting strong participation in PM Social Security schemes. We have also actively supported claim settlement under social security schemes, ensuring timely assistance to the beneficiaries. Our commitment to rural development in reflecting 29,661 KCC loan accounts, 16,360 self-help group loan account empowering women and rural groups, 12,504 Mudra loan promoting small businesses. Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, we have sanctioned 148 loan account in the year 25-26. In Swalamban, 609 loan we have sanctioned and disbursed. We are proud to say that Tripura Gramin Bank plays a role in entrepreneurship, development and employment generation in the state. We actively supported in PM, FME, PM Shwanidhi, Mudra, self-help group and retail transport loan. In Mudra category, we are financing Shishu, Kishore, Tarun beneficiaries already covered. Self-help group individual loans, Aditya scheme we have launched in the last year, and in that segment we have financed 19.11 crore for the people of Tripura. In RTO 62.36 crore we have financed. Strong contribution toward livelihood and employment generation we have already done. In retail segment, 1,101 housing loan we have sanctioned and disbursement was 971.70 crore. In education loan and total education outstanding is 25.45 crore. In digital transformation and innovation, in line with the modern banking needs, we have taken significant steps in digital transformation. We have already launched e-bank guarantee for paperless banking, introduction of co-branded credit card with Punjab National Bank, launch of TGB think tank, enhancement of mobile banking with new feature like Bharat Pay payment system, IMPS and security upgrades. Expansion of e-lobbies, 6 e-lobbies already operational and 9 more in pipeline also. We have enhanced our BC networks also. Right now we are having 487 BC points including 148 BC Sakhis. We have already implemented Aadhaar, Data Vault and advanced digital security systems. These initiatives are making banking more accessible, secure and customer friendly. As a responsible institution, we have actively contributed to society through corporate social responsibilities also. Initiatives such as we have supported to athletes, mountaineers and youth also, distribution of blanket to needy families, assistance in education, sports and infrastructure, promotion of self-help group product and environmental initiative. These efforts reflect our commitment to motivate even better. We forward, we looking ahead, our focus will be on strengthening digital banking ecosystem, expanding credit to agriculture, MSME and rural entrepreneur, enhancing customer service and financial literacy, supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Tripura. Dear friends from the media, all these achievements have become meaningful because people know about us through your sincere reporting. Whenever we conduct a financial literacy camp, open a new facility, launch a new digital services, support and self-help group, or extend assistance under corporate social responsibilities, your coverage gives us wider reach. You help us reach through those people who may not come to the bank unless they first hear, read or see the information through you.
Sir, just I am sharing this one, sir, on behalf of sir, and actually I am sharing this one. Sir, thanks for
you are raising this question from last 3 years, not last year, last 3 years. or we have already raised this issue to Department of Financial Services, DFS. बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा कि कोर्ट हैव गिवन सम डिसीजन कि आप मिनिमम वेजेस दीजिए और प्लस उनको रेगुलराइज करने के लिए पॉलिसी बनाई है, बट नॉट मी और नॉट माय बोर्ड इज एबल टू मेक एनी पॉलिसी रिगार्डिंग दैट रेगुलराइजेशन फॉर द कैजुअल वर्कर और एनी अदर outsourcing worker. So we have already raised this request to the Department of Financial Services, Government of India. They are also working on that because I think they have made one committee made by that NABARD, IDD NABARD head office, and they are doing that. When that policy will come, then we'll act accordingly. That is not the issue.
Just tentatively,
See.
give us just a roadmap that by when they should be able to get some benefits. Because this phenomenon has been going on for the last 3 years and more. Even the High Court of Tripura is also given Because they are keenly waiting to know something
Definitely.
from the top brass of training. And you are the company.
To regularize them, but we are the authority. We can raise their voices to the institution, government of India, who will able to make a policy for the bank across country, not only for Tripura Gramin Bank. So they are working on that. Please wait some more time.
It does not give us a very good story when we came to know that there is an
तो कर ही रहे हैं ना हम लोग तो इंक्रीज 6 महीने पे उनका इंक्रीज भी होगा
at present, total staff strength.
माइक ऑन कर लीजिए माइक ऑन कर लीजिए
Yeah.
880
Total staff.
yes but in the month of April now we have already onboarded 29 officers as assistant manager, and we are also going to onboard 45 clerical staff in the month of May.
And vacancies?
Vacancy already we have given to the IBPS. Now we are recruiting through IBPS, not directly. So that is the vacancy we have given for this financial year, and they have onboarded and given their names to our bank, or we are going to onboard in the month of May. In April, officers have already onboarded 29 officers.
Sir, I have a question. You have made a provision of 184 crore.
उसका क्या CSR का बता रहे हैं कि CSR में आपने क्या किया, वही ना CSR. Yes.
Sir, in case of actually RRBs or PSUs are not allowed for corporate social responsibility because they don't come under Banking Companies Act. The thing is that for social cause, we mention it as corporate social responsibility. In that case, we have done a number of works. Some of them I can say right now, like we have gone for green energy, that installation of solar powered electric lights in a number of GPs
In the villages.
in villages. Apart from that, we have done our CSR in a school also. The school was a very poor standard with respect to infrastructure. We completed their total covering through glass and aluminium windows along with doors so that the students can at least sit over there. Apart from that, in orphanages also we donated their water requirement like purifier, and in the winter we also donated blankets, and in some areas food distribution was also being done. This is some of them only. Apart from them, there are a number of where small amount were given by bank as a CSR activity for social upliftment.